In this lesson, I'm trying to show students that they have to sometimes use a different method than graphing to solve a system of equations because x and y are not integers in this solution, and so they can approximate the answer, but they can't get an exact answer without using a different method. So the diver is 250 feet below sea level. I have a student read through this paragraph for us. And she injured herself. She only has 7-minute supply of air in her tank and can only rise towards the surface at a rate of 10 feet per minute. So we talk about what would the equation be for the diver. And so for the diver, the slope would be that she is rising, so that is y equals a positive 10x, because she's going upward and she's at 250 feet below, so she starts at negative 250 feet because she's 250 feet below sea level. And then the submarine's going to descend to try to retrieve her or save her in time before the 7 minutes is up. And so the submarine, the equation for that's going to be y equals 30 feet per minute is how it's going to descend. So it's negative 30 because it's going underneath the water, x below sea level, and then it started at 0 because 0 is going to represent the surface of the water. And so substitution, I talk about, well, if y is equal to negative 30x, and I've demonstrated this one other time for them with the power washer problem in the previous lesson, then I can substitute, remember x and y, where the intersection point is of these two lines is actually where x is going to be the same and y is going to be the same when you're solving these two equations simultaneously. So if y equals negative 30x, this y also equals negative 30x, and I can substitute negative 30x in for that y and set it equal to the expression in terms of x, 10x minus 250. And then I can solve for x to find out how many minutes that they meet the diver and see if they save her in time with the 7 minutes. The graph already showed that the student sample showed that it was between 6 and 7, but we need to get an exact solution. So if I subtract 10x from this side to bring it over here with negative 30x like terms, then you're going to have negative 40x equals negative 250 divide by negative 40. And so negative 250 divided by negative 40 is going to leave positive 6.25 minutes is when they will get to the diver, so they do get there before the 7 minutes is up.